Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to earn more money fast in Dice Dreams, so you can buy upgrades, unlock new properties, and build your dream board without getting stuck waiting for coins. First off, win matches regularly. The more games you play and win, the more coins you'll earn, especially if you complete bonus objectives during gameplay. Next, complete daily goals. These often reward a solid amount of coins and reset every 24 hours. So make sure you log in and finish them. Don't miss out on limited time events. Many of them offer double coin rewards or special challenges that give extra cash just for playing. Here's a pro tip. Spin the gift wheel often. Every few hours you can spin once for free. And sometimes you'll land on big coin bonuses. Also, invite friends who play Dice Dreams. You both get bonus coins whenever they log in and play, making it a great way to boost your income. So should you feel low on cash? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep building like a pro. Let me know in the comments how many coins you earn per game and which trick gave you the most. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.